Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4. I'm going to show you how to turn it on, turn it off, put it in pairing mode, and how to factory reset, okay? So, very simple here. Now, if I look on here, I got a button on one side, the power button, and over here is where the LED light will come on, okay? So you can currently see I have a white solid light. Let me turn these off first. Power button here. Let me press and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. I just turned it off, okay? Now, let's go ahead and turn it back on. Let me press and hold for 3 seconds again. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, let go, and there we go. And a lot of you guys, once you turn it on, if it's in pairing mode, you'll know when it's blinking white, 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 okay? Mine's not blinking white. I have a solid white light. That's because it's probably connected to another phone or one of my TVs here. So let's put this in a pairing mode, okay? So the power button here is again. This time I'm gonna press and hold right now and just keep on holding until it starts blinking white again. It's holding, okay, there we go. Now it's blinking white, 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 white. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? Now let's do a factory reset, okay? You do a factory reset if you have issues, maybe one side's working, one side's volume's lower than the other. You can't sync in or connect to your TV, your phone, or your computer or whatnot, but factory reset's very simple, okay? So first thing is we have a power button here, and on this side here, you have volume up, volume down, play, pause, okay? So what we wanna do is press and hold the same time, the power button and the volume down, okay? Press and hold both and keep holding till this LED starts flashing red, okay? So again, volume down is right here. Volume up, pause, play, volume down, okay? So volume down, power button, ready, set, go. Press and hold. And you gotta hold for about 15 seconds or so. So I'm gonna hold, I'm still holding. I wanna see it start flashing red. Still holding. There it is. Go ahead and let go. It just factory reset itself. And now it's gonna go back into pairing mode, which is blinking white, white, white. Now, just don't forget, if you originally connected to your iPhone, for instance, and then you did a factory reset, once it gets back into pairing mode, you have to go back to your iPhone or your TV if you were connected before, or your Android phone or your computer, and you have to delete the Solo Pro out of your pairing list. Either delete or forget device or unpair, and then you can go ahead and repair it back, okay?